In this video, I will show you how to sign in and watch DStv on your TV. So over here is my Hisense Vida Smart TV, but the steps I'm going to be sharing with you in this particular video will work for virtually any TV that you have. So whether it's a Samsung, an LG, a Sony TV, whatever TV you're using, this is going to work pretty well for you. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure your TV is connected to the internet. You can see mine is connected to the internet over here. And then you also want to make sure that you have the DStv app on your smart TV. Now, you can virtually see my DStv app over here. But if you do not have it, then you want to go to the App Store. So if you're using an Android TV, just go to the App Store of your TV and try and download the DStv app on your TV. In my case, I have the Vida App Store here, and I virtually downloaded the DStv app from this particular app store. So if you do not have it, make sure you download it on your TV. That being said, let's go into the tutorial. So first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the DStv app on your TV. So you can see the app over here on my TV. I just click on OK for the app to open. It's just going to take some time for it to load. Now, once the DStv apps opens on your TV, it is going to show you a code which you're expected to enter on your mobile phone. Now, the next thing you want to do is to go over to your mobile phone like so, and you want to go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on whether you are using an Android phone or an iPhone. So just go to the App Store, and on the App Store, on the search bar, you just want to go and search for DStv app. You can see that I actually searched for it. So you just search for DStv app on your App Store, and you want to go and download the DStv Stream app. Now you're going to download the DStv Stream app, and once you finish downloading it, you want to go and open up the app on your smartphone just like so, and you'll be expected to log into your DStv app. If you already have an account, or if you do not have an account, you will have to create a multi-choice account. Now you can actually see the create multi-choice account over here. So I'm just going to click on it, and you'll be expected to enter your login information. So I'm just going to try and log in with one of my email. So I'm just going to enter my email, and of course you also need to enter your phone number. So I'm just going to enter my phone number. Now you want to go ahead and choose any password of your choice, but then just choose something that is good enough. Now after you must have entered your details, you want to go ahead and click on the create multi-choice account like so. Now you'll be asked whether you want to enter your DStv package link. You can just go ahead and leave this if you do not have a package link. Just go ahead and click on not now. Just click on it, and the DStv app is going to reload on your mobile phone, but this time it's going to open up properly for you. Now the app is going to open properly like so for you. Click on the more option over here, and then you want to go ahead and click on your settings, and then you also want to go ahead and click on login to TV. Now you'll be expected to enter the same code that is displayed on your TV initially, which is this code. And once you've entered the code on your TV, the DStv app is going to reload on your TV. Now you have to accept the DStv terms and conditions. So you just want to go ahead and press OK on your remote control. And now your DStv app will be logged into your TV. That will be all on today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.